How's it going, guys? Noah down here at Johnson's RV and Auto, and we are here in the shop with the Salem FSX 161QK. We did opt for this one in the Platinum package, meaning we're going to get that nice fiberglass exterior, 200-watt solar panel on the roof, and the solid fold-down steps. This is a 23-foot overall length couples coach weighing in just over 4,200 pounds, and it has a very sweet layout inside. We're going to start up front here, though. Power jack, which is standard on every one of the Platinum packages. 20-pound propane tank, can put a 30-pounder in the exact same position. And it's going to come with a brand new battery on purchase of the trailer to match up with that 200-watt solar panel. Coming down the side here, you're going to get the nice Suburban flat top griddle here that just slides right out and slides back in when you're done with it. Like I mentioned, solid step here. Nice black mirror door on the side. Very good location as well with the outdoor shower here. Put it right beside the door, so you get back from the beach or your feet are all dirty, you can hose them off before going into your nice brand new trailer. Coming towards the back, as you can see, nice big window on the side. This thing has great windows, especially in the bedroom area. And right at the back of the trailer, you're going to have a nice big storage compartment, as well as one on the other side opposite to your outdoor kitchen. Up top here, you're going to have the on-the-go ladder mount, and it is also backup camera prepped. They don't have that on here, or they don't come with it, I should say, but we can easily do that for you. Let's take a look on the inside, guys. Into the interior of the 161, we're going to start up right up front of the trailer here. As you can tell from the outside and from in here, nice big window there. Open that up, gives you lots of natural daylight or a nice view of the lake. U-shaped dinette below it here. Cool thing that FSX does, one of my favorite things in this trailer, is this table. This table will pull out, swivel all around, move every which way, so you can easily get to the back, fit 4, 5, 6 people in here with no issues. Into the kitchen cooking area, we're going to start off with the 2-burner sleek Greystone cooktop. Gives you lots of counter space, doesn't take up much room over there in the corner. Matching Greystone range hood, and your Furrion microwave up top here with 2 overhead cabinets. Below, you're going to have lots of drawers down here and nice big storage underneath your sink area. New feature for this year in the Salem FSX trailer lineup, and pretty much all my Salems, you're going to have the Suburban on-demand hot water tank. That means no more 6 gallons of water waiting for it to refill and recharge the system. No, you're going to turn your hot water on, and you're going to have hot water until you're done your shower, done your dishes, or you can do them at the same time. You don't got to worry about it. Another cool feature that I like is the new Coleman Mach thermostat. They look really, really good. Shows the ambient temperature on there and super easy to use. One thing I did forget to mention, right at the entrance door here, you're going to have 6 hooks. People always ask me, where do I hang my jacket when I get in, or hang my sweater up? Very good spot right here, right at the entrance door. Walk in, hang your jacket, and away you go. Everchill 11 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator with the dual opening doors. That's right, this fridge does open from either way. The door will open up either side, same as the freezer. Into your bathroom area, you're going to have a sliding door here, as well as a sliding door to close off your bedroom and your kitchen. So it kind of closes off with 2 sliding doors. Shower here on this side. Skylight as well up there for those taller folks you have no problem washing off. And on this side, you're going to have your toilet, sink, and some storage underneath your sink, and a medicine cabinet as well. Into the bedroom, as you can tell, lots of storage here, floor to ceiling and across. Going to give you all that storage, some rods in there to hang up some stuff, and you are going to have that under the bed storage as well in this unit. So you're going to have 4 bins underneath here, and you can access your rear storage. One more note I will say about the bedroom is look at the windows. You're going to have 3 massive windows right at the head of the bed and 2 on either side. Going to give you lots of natural daylight in here. And there you have it, guys. That's Salem FSX 161QK in the Platinum package. Again, with the Platinum package, you're receiving that fiberglass exterior, 200-watt solar panel on the roof, and the solid fold-down step. You've seen this thing, guys. 23-foot overall length, just over 4,200 pounds. It's a very easy tow with any truck. It is a very easy trailer to maneuver around. It's great for those grandparents. Maybe you want to bring their grandkids with you once in a while. Maybe you're another couple that wants to bring friends with you. Very easy. Lots of space here in this dinette. This cool swivel table. You can fit 4 or 5 people in here. Drop this down, make another bed. You've seen the features. the Suburban on-demand hot water tank, the fridge door that opens from either way, or the freezer, I should say too, and plenty of storage in that bedroom. Lots of natural daylight. I think this one's going to be a killer, guys. Very well priced. If you want more info on it, please come down to John's RV, or you can give me a call, ask for Noah, and let's take a tour of this sweet little unit.